So in the last 2 weeks, I've made $856 with Shopify. So that's $428 per week. And I've done it by selling absolutely no products. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that's done. So if you're new here, I'm Greg and I made $30,000 last year with online income, and it's my goal this year to make $100,000 in 12 months. So at the end of this video, after I've told you how I make $428 every week with Shopify by selling no products at all, I'll also give you an update on how my $100,000 challenge is going. So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed for passive income tips, and as well as trying to make $100,000 in a year, I'm trying to get the channel to 100,000 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe and help me get to that target. So $428 a week on Shopify without selling a single product. How is that done? Well, let's jump into my computer now and I'll show you my dashboard just to prove that I'm telling you the truth. So here is my Shopify dashboard. I'm going to refresh it just so you can see that I'm not lying. I've not changed any of the code or anything. And if we go down, we're going to see on my payouts on the left, I've got $502 that they're pending to pay me out. So they haven't paid me yet, but Shopify is pending to give me, and they're going to give me that after February the 14th. But if we go down to the last payout period, which was January the 16th to January the 31st, so a 2-week period, we can see over here that I made $853.50. So when we divide it by 2, we get that $428 mark. And if we look below, you can see I made $659 the 2 weeks before that, $820 the 2 weeks before that, $580. So on average, I'm getting consistently around $400 a week, $800 every 2 weeks. And like I said, I am doing this by selling no products at all. And the way that's done is if we jump over to the Shopify website, you can see here the homepage, and we've got the button here to start your free trial to get your Shopify store up and running and start selling products. And that's what most people click when they want to start making money with Shopify. But how I make my money with Shopify, the majority of my money with Shopify, is if you scroll right down to the bottom here, you can see this link here, Shopify Affiliate Program. And if we click here, Shopify has the affiliate program page and you can click here to join its affiliate program. So if you're new to this channel and you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I talk about it all the time on this channel, I love it. Affiliate marketing is basically making commission from referrals. So basically you're referring people that you know to a company, and if that person you referred makes a purchase, you're getting a commission off that purchase. And what I do a lot on this channel with this social media brand is I refer people to Shopify to go ahead and try Shopify out, set up your Shopify store and start selling products. And for every referral I make, Shopify pays me $58. And this is how I've made that money in the last 2 weeks with Shopify by not selling a single product, is I've been recommending Shopify platform to people, they've been buying it, and I've been making a commission. So I love affiliate marketing because you can do it completely for free, you don't have to buy anything beforehand, and you can make some serious money. So if affiliate marketing sounds interesting to you, make sure to go ahead and type affiliate in the comments below to show me that you're interested. So how have I managed to make so much money with affiliate marketing through Shopify? How am I getting the high enough amount of numbers of people to go ahead and buy the product for me to make around $400 every week with the affiliate program? Well, if we go over to my YouTube page, starting up that you're watching this video through now, make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Click over to the videos and we do a little search here for Shopify. You can see that in the past, when I was using Shopify myself, I made a lot of Shopify based videos. Talking about Shopify, the features of the platform, how advantageous it can be to be using it, what I like, what I don't like about it. Basically giving a good impression of the product so that people can make an informed decision of whether they want to buy it or not. And if we look at a specific video around Shopify here, so here's a video I made on how you get paid from Shopify. So when you've sold products through the platform, how Shopify pays you. And at the top of the description of the video, I put a link to go ahead and create your own store with Shopify. And anyone that watches this video clicks my link and goes to buy Shopify, Shopify rewards me by paying me that affiliate commission. And there's many other ways of promoting products rather than on a YouTube channel. So you can do it, for instance, on a blog. So if we jump over to the Starting Up website, you can see here I've got a Shopify based blog, and within that blog I'm going to put a link at some point to go ahead and buy Shopify. It's probably right at the bottom. Yep. So click here, you can see for a 14-day free trial with Shopify. If anyone clicks the link on my blog, I'm also going to go ahead and get affiliate commission if they buy that product. So two of the main ways I use are YouTube and blogs. You can also use your social media pages like Facebook groups, Instagram. You could pay for advertising, so put ads on Facebook to promote Shopify and send people to that product, and when they buy it, you get a commission. So there's many creative ways how you can basically get involved with affiliate marketing and make money. And if you're interested in learning some of the many ways that you can get started with affiliate marketing, I recommend jumping over to my website and downloading my free PDF, which basically walks you through 3 free methods of getting started with affiliate marketing. So ways that you can get started and pay no money and start making commissions with affiliate marketing. So head over to the website, the link's in the description below, click this big button here and put your email address in and I'll send you that PDF and you can get up and running with affiliate marketing in less than 24 hours. But long story short, that is how I make $400 every week with Shopify without selling a single product. So if that sounds interesting to you and you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. But back to when we started this video, I've made $856 in the last 2 weeks. And those are the first 2 weeks of my $100,000 challenge. So we're gonna have a little update now and talk you through exactly how much of money I've made in the first 2 weeks of my 12-month challenge to make $100,000, how much I've spent, and you can basically see how on track I am to hitting that target at the end of 2019. Okay, so I've got my numbers here for a quick update. It's gonna be a full update at the end of the month, going into more detail, but I'll just run you through the numbers here. So as we already know, in the first 2 weeks of the challenge, I've made $856 with Shopify. And that's all I've made actually in the first 2 weeks. I've got a lot more money due to come in at the end of the month, but in terms of earnings, that's $856 that I've made. But what have I spent in those first 2 weeks? Okay, so first off, I spent $4.90 on my Morning Fame subscription. So let's just jump into the computer and I'll quickly show you what that is. Morning Fame is a tool for YouTube creators that you can use to monitor how strong your channel is, how well it's doing. As you can see here, it's for simplifying YouTube growth. It's a great tool I use to basically give me new video ideas, see how well my recent videos are performing against my older videos, and it's only $4.90 a month. So that's the first outgoings I've had in the first 2 weeks of the $100,000 challenge. Secondly, I've spent $258 on Google Ads, which you can see here. So I'm really trying to grow this YouTube channel as part of my strategy to hitting that $100,000 and also the 100,000 subscribers. So for the first time in my life, I've experimented in the last 2 weeks with promoting this channel with advertising. So I spent $258 in these first 2 weeks to try and really boost my subscriber numbers and the views of my channel. I'll probably do a video in the future on how well that's gone. If you want to know, let me know in the comments below. And also, if you've seen my adverts so far, let me know in the comments, because I'm really interested in this hearing if you've seen my ads yet and how effective they are. But yeah, $258 in 2 weeks on Google Ads. Okay, and finally, I spent $100.30 on my ClickFunnels subscription. So you've probably seen ads for ClickFunnels everywhere. If you're mildly interested in online entrepreneurship or marketing, you've probably been targeted by ClickFunnels. It's a great platform for creating landing pages, for creating sales stages to get people to buy your product, so to enter your website and go through a process to eventually buy a product. It kind of does it all for you, ready-made sort of web pages, that sort of stuff. I use it, I showed you this page earlier to download my PDF. I use it to make this page, and I use it for a lot of other pages. And it's $100 a month. So that is my final outgoing on this first 2 weeks. If you want to download ClickFunnels yourself, I'll put a link below to a free trial to get you up and running. So let's do some quick maths. In total, I've made $856 in the first 2 weeks of the $100,000 challenge, but I've also spent $363.20. So my total profit after taking what I've spent off what I've earned is $489.80 in the first 2 weeks of the $100,000 challenge. And on average, I've calculated I need to be making around $8,500 every month to hit that $100,000 marker. So $490 in 2 weeks, where I need to be making $8,500 a month. is not looking too good a start. I'm hoping that it's going to be a slow start and it really shoots up towards the end of the 12 months. But what's your opinion? Do you think I'm going to make the $100,000 in 12 months or not? I'm going to try something new and do a poll in the card that's probably going to pop up here or here asking you for a yes or no answer, and if you think I'll hit the $100,000. So make sure to vote on that. But yeah, that's the video basically. That's how I make so much money with Shopify without selling a single product. It's with affiliate marketing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing tips. In the next 2 months, I've just started a new weekly series talking all about affiliate marketing. Give this video a like because it's going to help me get noticed. Even go as far ahead as sharing it if you think it's going to be inspirational for someone you know. And finally, if you're not already, make sure to follow me on Instagram at startingup for more daily updates on how the $100,000 challenge is going. Thank you for watching, everyone. It's a bit of a long video. I really appreciate you sticking with me to the end. Have a good few days, and I'll see you very soon. See you later, starters.